How to brake in your new Power Stop brake kit with drilled and slotted rotors. This procedure is critical to brake performance. Each vehicle has slight differences in how the pads will compress onto the rotor, requiring this to be done on an individual basis. This way the brake pads can deposit an even layer of friction material onto the rotors. It is very important that this initial layer of friction material is evenly distributed. While doing this, it's a good rule of thumb to leave plenty of space between you and any vehicle or stop line. After installation, you'll start out with doing 5 moderate to aggressive stops from 40 miles per hour down to 10 miles per hour in rapid succession without letting the brakes cool, and do not come to a complete stop. If you're forced to stop, either shift into neutral and take your foot off the brake, or give room in front of you so you can allow the vehicle to roll slightly while waiting for the light. The rotors will be very hot, and holding down the brake pad will allow the pad to create an imprint on the rotor. This is where a judder can originate from. Then you'll want to do 5 moderate stops from 35 miles per hour to 5 miles per hour in rapid succession without letting the brakes cool. You should expect to smell some resin as the brakes get hot. After this is complete, drive around for as long as possible without excessively heating the brakes and without coming to a complete stop. Try for about 5 minutes at moderate speed. This is the cooling stage. It allows the heated resin in the brake pads to cool and cure. Once this is completed, the brakes have cooled to standard operating temperature. You may use your brakes normally. Never cool your brakes with water, as this can damage them. When this process is complete, enjoy your vehicle's newest performance upgrade with Power Stop brakes.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.